How to trim your video on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly trim the start or end of your video using the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First, open the Photos app and find the video you want to edit. Once you have it, tap on Edit in the top right corner. You'll see a timeline at the bottom of the screen. To trim the beginning of your video, simply drag the left edge of the timeline to the right until you reach the point where you want the video to start. Now, if you want to trim the end, just drag the right edge to the left. You can tap play to preview your edits and make sure everything looks good. When you're satisfied with your trim, hit done. You will have the option to save the video, either modifying the original or saving it as a new clip. I recommend saving it as a new clip to keep your original videos intact. And that's it. You have just streamed your video in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.